everyone, this is part 2 video of partnership. Hope you all have watched part 1 video. Kindly watch it before watching this because this is continuation of part 1 video. Before start solving the problem, I have to recall the rule which we have seen in the part 1 video. The rule is ratio of investment will be equal to ratio of profit. If the investment period and investment amount is given, then the ratio of profit will be the ratio of product of investment period and investment amount. Let us begin with the first problem. Aman began a business with rupees 550 and was joined afterwards by Rahul with rupees 330. When did Rahul join? If the profit at the end of the year is divided in the ratio of 10:3. So here the investment period for Aman is entire year 12 months. For Rahul I am assuming it as X because Rahul is joining after few months. So here profit ratio will be the product of investment amount into investment period. Now I am going to cancel out the common terms 0 0. Next I am going to divide it with 11 3 times 5 again with 3. So that's it. The final will be 5 cross 4 20 is to X, which is equal to the profit ratio 10:3. This is equivalent to your proportion. Product of extreme will be equal to product of mean. Product of extreme 20 cross 3. Product of mean 10 cross 5. 0 0 get cancelled. So value of X will be 6 months. So investment period of Rahul is 6 months. Here problem is after how many months or after how much period did Rahul join the business. See here entire investment period is 12 months. Rahul's time period is 6 months. So 12 minus 6 answer will be 6 months. So Rahul is joining after 6 months. Second problem, A, B, C invested capital in the ratio of 3:5:9. The timing of their investment being in the ratio 2:3:1. In what ratio would their profit be distributed? Here the capital ratio is given and the investment time period ratio is given. So the profit will be ratio of product. So investment amount ratio 3:5:9. Investment period ratio 2:3:1. So profit ratio will be ratio of the product. So 3 cross 2, 5 cross 3 is to 9 cross 1. So common term 3 3 here 3. So ratio will be 2:5:3. Always the ratio of profit will be equal to investment into time period. Next, your third problem. A, B and C start a business. If the ratio of their period of investment are 2:3:6 and their profit are in ratio 4:5:6, then the ratio of their capital of A, B and C is. Here the investment period ratio is given as 2:3:6. So profit ratio is given as 4:5:6. So we know that the ratio of profit will be equal to ratio of product of capital amount into time period. So here we didn't know the capital amount. Let it be A, B, C. So 2A, 3B, 3C will be equal to 4:5:6. So for this problem, solving from option is the better way than solving the equation. So for choosing which option to be selected first, see here this is 5. So the product of 3 into B should be a multiple of 5. So to get a multiple of 5, B should be a multiple of 5. So only possible option here is 12:10:6. So first we are going to check with this option. So 2 into 12 is to 3 into 10 is to 6 into 6. Cancel out the common terms. 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4. So ratio is 4:5:6, which is equivalent to the ratio of profit. So answer will be 12:10:6. Suppose this option is not correct, means answer will be none of this. Let us see the last problem. A, B, C and D enter into a partnership. A subscribes 1/3 of capital, B 1/4 and C 1/5 and D the rest. What is the share of D out of the total profit 6,000? Here In the previous problem, either the ratio or the investment amount was given, so it is easy for us to calculate the ratio of profit. But here they had given in the fraction, so I am going to assume the capital amount. So capital amount I am assuming here is nothing but the LCM of denominator of the fraction. 3, 4 and 5 LCM 60. So now we are going to assume the total capital amount of 60 rupees. What will be the A subscription amount? That nothing but 1/3 of total capital, it is 20. B 1/4 of the total capital, it is 15. C 1/5 of the total capital, 12. D the rest, 20 plus 15 35, 35 plus 12 47. So 60 minus 47, answer will be 30. So ratio of their profit will be in the 20 is to 15 is to 12 is to 30. Now we are going to find the share of D. D share will be total profit 6,000 into D share 13 ratio divided by total ratio 60. So answer will be 1,300. Hope you all clear with this. In next video we are going to see the continuation of partnership. Thank you.